A wolf pup. Mom's gone off hunting. They're definitely missing Mom. But her absence is an opportunity to go exploring. The world outside is fun. Adult wolves must catch up to 50% more prey when they've got pups to feed. Bison, the symbol of the heartland, are their biggest prize. A newborn, a potential target for a female wolf with hungry pups back in the den. She could take down the calf if she can get past the bodyguard. Two mothers, eye to eye. She doesn't have the weapons to tackle a healthy adult bison alone. She heads off to rejoin her pack. Working together, they track down a group of elk. Smaller than bison, but faster. The pack has a plan. No luck today. These elk are too strong and healthy.